How did this trading strategy make me profitable? Why support and resistance is one of the most accurate chart pattern? What should you do to identify the strong support and resistance? How can this strategy make you a profitable trader? Will this strategy be the holy grail you're looking for? Why successful traders hide this particular strategy? Is it because the win rate of the strategy exceptionally good? How can a beginner master this strategy in a short amount of time? Why a proper trading psychology is essential for you to achieve consistency. Candle time, which is 30 seconds Japanese candle. Then I will be just using the regular timer for this one. Okay. Oh, this trade is nice. This trade is a good one. Oh my god, it just came right into my zone area. You see that? So this is practically a reversal in the market, guys, because I'm actually against the trend right here. Okay, if you know anything about the trend, you know that this is the trend, right? I'm practically against it, but this trade was so beautiful, I go against the trend regardless. Okay, we have what, 1 point here, 2 point. At the third point, I took my trade. Okay, see that for yourself. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it much clearer. Oh, the points are not showing. First point, second point, third point, I entered my trade, and look at the result, guys. You're seeing this for yourself. Okay, look at the results. This is such a clean trade. It's such a calm and collective trade. It's just very humbling. Guys, I'm continue taking trade here. I was previously right here, but I noticed something very unique in the market, right? I noticed that the price, there is a extended momentum, right? But look at this. We had a nice inside gap. You see how beautiful that is? So I decided to take the trade same way. And this is all when you become very versatile in the market. This is all your mentality becomes. You can spot opportunity from a mile away. You see that? Look at that. So this is why candlestick psychology is so important. Even when you have a beautiful strategy, you still need to understand candlestick psychology, because by understanding it, you can increase your accuracies, and you can increase the amount of opportunity you find in the market. For instance, you can find opportunity very quickly. Okay, like I did right here. I could see that okay, the price will continue going higher because we had a inside gap with a momentum with a continuation sign. I will keep explaining everything on the next video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I think I want to take one. No, I'm not going to take any more trade on this one here, but it's a very decent one. There's something unique about this trade, but let me show you guys. 1 point, second point, third point, I took my trade. There was a what? There was a 2 bar going down right here. See that? And it was a very strong 2 bar. So I took that trade. And something I want to show you guys. If you notice here, we're also in the direction of the trend. The trend wasn't broken because when the price reached to the trend area, it started to reverse. You see that? So this is how understanding market sentiment is very important. That's what I'm saying. Like guys, there's just so much things going to trading. It's not just only about patterns. The patterns is very important. Don't get me wrong. Without the pattern, nothing really makes sense. But you still need to understand market psychology. Okay, you need to understand market structure and stuff like that.
Apply for mentorship to learn everything I'm doing on a deeper level.
Guys, I actually missed the entry point. I was about to enter, and by the time I entered the price, like I was going to enter here. By the time I looked, the price was like here, guys. It's moving very fast because we are in a volatile market. Okay, now let me show you. First point, second point, and then the third point, I took my trade. I'm still a little bit not comfortable with the okay, we have an inside gap. The price might continue in my direction, plus we have a hammer candle, sign of continuation, sign on that candle. So we have a lot of stuff in our favor. This momentum is super strong, so I'm not even worried. Like, if you understand candlestick psychology, you know that this trade is practically a very strong trade. But my entry should have been here, though, early. This trade's a bit late, so let's see what's gonna happen. Come on, see that? It's still strong. Come on. That was a very beautiful and a nerve-wracking trade at the same time. This will be the end of my video. If you want to learn more about my strategies, you can use the link in description to apply for mentorship.